Children, open your computer app Fair Notebook. We have already divided second term part. Continue lesson number new. Lesson number 3. Starting the computer. Starting the computer. Open your new page. Left side you mention today's date and give the heading lesson number 3, starting the computer. Question number 1, choose the correct option. MCQ number 1, switch on the dash to start the computer. Option A, keyboard. Option B, monitor. Option C, UPS. Option D, all of these. Now your answer is right. Option C, UPS. Leave one line. MCQ number 2. Press the power button on. Press the power button on. The dash to switch on your computer. On your computer. Option A, CPU box. Option B, key box. Option C, monitor. Option D, UPS. Your answer is option A, CPU box. Line MCQ number 3. Finally switch on the monitor by pressing the dash on it. Option A, monitor button. Option B, switch button. Option B, switch button. Option C, power button. Option D, CPU button. CPU button. Your answer is option C, power button. Your answer is option C, power button. Leave one line. MCQ number 4. After pressing the power button, after pressing the power button, 4, sometime you will see the see the screen on your monitor. It is called dash. Option A, Ubuntu desktop. Option B, desktop. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Your answer is option C, both A and B. Leave one line. MCQ number 5. The dash background, picture displayed on the desktop screen is called dash. Option A, wallpaper. Option B, screen. Option C, page. Option D, desktop. Your answer is option A, wallpaper. Your answer is option A, wallpaper. Now leave one line. MCQ number 6. The vertical bar that appears along the left side of the Ubuntu desktop. Is called the dash. Option A, icon. Option B, horizontal bar. Option C, vertical bar. Option D, launcher. Option D, launcher. Then answer option D, launcher. Now leave one line. MCQ number 7. The first button at the top of the launcher is called the dash. Option A, Ubuntu button. Option B, power button. Option C, switch. Option C, switch. Option D, none of this. Your answer is option A, Ubuntu buttons. Thank you, children.